Is modern food dangerous? The truth about our daily diet. Every day, billions of people eat food that looks delicious, smells tempting, and fills the stomach. But here's the hidden truth. Much of what we eat today is no longer real food. It's engineered products packed with sugars, chemicals, and unhealthy fats that are slowly poisoning us. Obesity rates across the world have been more than tripled in the last 50 years. Millions of children are growing up addicted to junk food before they even understand what healthy eating means. And most of us don't even realize how dangerous our diet has become. The global obesity crisis. Just half a century ago, obesity was rare. Today, over a billion people worldwide are overweight and hundreds of millions are classified as obese. This is not just about appearance. It is directly linked to heart disease, diabetes, strokes, liver failure, shortened lifespan, etc. The real tragedy, the epidemic, is not caused by lack of food, but by the type of food being consumed. Cheap, addictive, ultra-processed products have replaced real, nourishing meals and foods. Sugar, the sweet poison. Take sugar for example. A single can of soft drink can contain 10 to 12 teaspoons of sugar, more than the recommended daily intake for an adult. Packaged juices, flavored waters, energy drinks, and even so-called healthy cereals often loaded with are right now often loaded with sugars. Sugar doesn't just make food good taste. Sugar not only increases the taste of the food, it's also addictive. It triggers the dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. It is the same system which is activated by drugs. That's why children and adults crave it again and again. Over time, excess sugar damages the liver, increases fat storage, and leads to diabetes. Globally, hundreds of millions of people now live with diabetes, a number that continues to rise year after year. Fats, oils, and processed junk. Sugar is only part of the story. You might think that sugar is the main enemy, the main villain, but it's not. Surprisingly, there are a lot of things which play a role in making our foods vulnerable. Processed junk food is built on cheap oils and artificial fats. Fries, chips, cookies, instant noodles, fried snacks, burgers, packaged biscuits, etc. These products often contain trans fats and refined oils. So, these fats don't just add calories, they clog arteries, inflame the body, and increase the risk of deadly diseases. And it's not an accident. Many of these snacks are designed with only one purpose, not to satisfy you, but to keep eating you more. Every crunch, every bite, every salty or sweet burst is engineered for addiction. And all the companies, big companies, they profit from that. That's simple as that. Now we're coming to chocolates. Now you might think that chocolates are like a small and innocent food which is just for little bit pleasure, but no, it's not. Even something as innocent as chocolate has been manipulated. Real cocoa can be healthy. It contains natural antioxidants. But most chocolates on store shelves and the chocolates you get online contain very little cocoa. Instead, they are mostly sugar, milk powders, oils, and emulsifiers. Advertising makes them seem like a symbol of happiness and comfort, but in reality, these are sugar bombs disguised as treats. The most dangerous part of the crisis is not the food itself, but the lack of awareness. So, in this point of the video, we are gonna discuss some ways on the awareness gap and how to overcome it and what steps we can take to escape this brutal reality. Many people never read food labels, and even when they do, the information is confusing. Products marketed as low-fat, diet, or sugar-free are often worse. Low-fat usually means extra sugar or chemicals for taste. Sugar-free often means artificial sweeteners that can harm the body in different ways. It's not scarcity that is killing us, it's ignorance. and the powerful marketing that blinds us. So now we can come to some safer alternatives, because this is a problem which can be fought with awareness and small, consistent choices. Instead of sugary drinks, choose water, sparkling water, or rather, which is my favorite, is coconut water or unsweetened tea. Like, do not give that much sugar to your tea. But coconut water tastes great without any kind of chemicals, sugars, fats, etc. Instead of chips and fried snacks, try air-popped popcorn, roasted chickpeas, seeds, or nuts. Instead of packaged juices, eat whole fruits or make fresh smoothies without adding sugar. Instead of milk chocolate, choose dark chocolate with 70% or more of cocoa in it and less sugar, because the chocolate with cocoa, they actually would be a little bit more expensive, but that money would go into good cause, because if the chocolate is expensive due to this, you might lose some money, but your health is being saved. Instead of fast food meals, cook simple whole meals: rice, grains, lentils, beans, vegetables, eggs, or fresh salads. But make sure to buy these fresh salads from trusted sources, because these can also be manipulated, right? Yeah. And lastly, wash fruits and vegetables thoroughly to reduce surface pesticides. Also, support natural and local produce when possible. And most importantly, always read the labels. If an ingredient list is too long and filled with chemicals, it's probably not real food. Many companies find legal loopholes to false advertise, so we need to raise awareness amongst us. We imagine poison as something in a bottle with a skull and crossbones. But today's poison comes in bright packaging, advertised with catchy slogans, and sold in every supermarket. The truth is, much of modern food is slowly making us sick. But awareness is power. With the right knowledge and